Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 stuck on restarting screen. So guys, to resolve this issue, just you need to press Windows key plus X plus power button. So you need to press together Windows key plus X plus power button. So guys, you can try to resolve this issue. Just you need to press Windows plus X plus power button together. Hopefully these simple and easy steps you can fix and you can resolve Windows 11 stuck problem on Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.